Here's another Isobaric speaker box that I've made out of plywood. It's 2mm thick plywood. You can see I've put one of these 20mm high bass speakers facing up out of the enclosure, and I've got another one facing down. This way I've got the red and black. Red is your positive of your of each speaker. So I've got red and black, so these are in series. So I'll just put this one on. Now if I put my finger over this, listen to the difference. Okay, we'll swap these out and we'll put these over into parallel. And you've got two reds together and two blacks together. And we'll try this. And again. That's pretty good sound. That's only light when it's that way. Maybe the size of the speakers has got something to do with this. If I go onto the other speakers here, I come back to this one. So it's value in it there. It's maybe using larger speakers. Might try some 28mm speakers. Anyhow, that's just another test, just to throw it in there and see what comments we can get coming back on this, to see if we can find the perfect sound. I'm still trying at it. Cheers.